In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail two-step verification. This extra layer of security helps protect your account even if someone figures out your password. It works by requiring a second check, like a code or an approval on your phone, so only you can sign in. Start by opening a browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you aren't already. Once you're in your Google account page, look to the left-hand menu and click Security. This is where Google groups all settings related to protecting your account, so it's the right place to make these changes. On the security page, scroll until you see the section called Signing into Google. Find the option labeled Two-Step Verification and click it. You'll land on a page that explains how it works and what to expect. When you're ready, click Get Started. For your safety, Google will likely ask you to enter your Gmail password again. Go ahead and confirm it to continue. Next, you'll choose your preferred verification method. You have three main options. If you pick a phone number, Google will send a one-time code by text message when you sign in. This is simple and works on any phone that can receive SMS. Google Prompt is often the fastest option. You'll see a prompt on a phone that's signed in to your Google account, and you just tap to approve. Make sure notifications are enabled on that device so you don't miss the alert. The Authenticator app option, such as Google Authenticator, generates rotating codes right on your phone and even works offline. It's reliable when you don't have text service, and the codes refresh about every 30 seconds. If you selected the phone number method, you'll now be asked to verify that number. Enter your mobile number carefully, then Google will send a 6-digit code by SMS. Check your messages, type that code into the verification field, and confirm. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and double-check the number you entered. Once your chosen method is verified, finalize the setup by clicking Turn On. That's it. Two-step verification is now active on your account. The next time you sign in, you'll enter your password and then complete the second step using the method you selected. A quick tip before we wrap up. Always approve sign-in prompts only when you're actively logging in, and keep your phone secure and accessible. With this setup in place, your Gmail is significantly better protected.